I got another crochet braid slay today. This hair is off the hook and I found it on Amazon.
Don't get it twisted.
It's going to look really natural. I'm just saying. Boop, bam. Hey cousin, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
I'm coming to you with a slay today, and I'm not talking about the slay that's on my face, because clearly we can all see that I put my foot in them greens. But this is not about makeup, okay? It's not about makeup. I'm just saying. Nah, if all hearts and minds are clear, I know that y'all just so engulfed right now. I realize that, but we're gonna have to move on, y'all. We're gonna have to move on because
This is not what I came here to do.
but let's just I was just messing. But listen, I got a slay today. I got another crochet braid slay today. I'm giving it to you because y'all asked for it. My last crochet video, actually my last couple crochet videos, are doing very well, and thank you guys. Oh my goodness. Going through the comments, the last crochet braid video that I did, I used the basic invisible knot method. That's like the very first method that blew up on YouTube as far as invisible knots. That's the very first one. The original YouTube invisible knot method. And I call it that because A, I don't know who came up with it. B, it blew up on YouTube. And C, I know it's going to be a whole bunch of people that said I've been doing it. For those reasons, that's why I'm saying the YouTube invisible knot method, but the origins of it, I will never know. Okay, but you guys were so like intrigued with that particular method to where I was like, well, we just gonna take it back then. I will show you that original invisible knot method still works, y'all. Just because we get creative and ignorant and come up with all these new methods, some things work for one style versus another style. So there's different reasons for different methods, but
Don't get it twisted because the original still works.
But I'm bringing you some different hair. Now, let me jump into this hair because I found this hair on Amazon. And when I tell you, anytime I do a style like this, like what I'm showing y'all, I'm probably going to use this hair. Unless I'm just trying to find other hair that is just as good as this hair. But this hair is off the hook and I found it on Amazon. This hair is from the Lady Miranda store. And this is Afro Kinky Curly Braiding Hair Extension Jerry Curl Crochet Hair. Now, I have the color 1B30. I'm going to say something about that. There are 3 bundles in one pack, okay? So I bought 2 packs just to be on the safe side, and I'm glad I did because I'm going to end up using more than the 1 pack. One of the other reasons why I really like it is because I have a lot of salt and pepper beauties in the family, and y'all be like, these vendors don't ever offer gray hair variations, and I'm sick of it. And I be like, you know what? I'm sick of it too because they not finna sit up here and do my cousins. Like, they don't deserve some options. This particular vendor does have a gray option. Okay. Y'all be on the videos like
It's nice, but can I get some gray options? I mean, what you want me to do with this? Because they act like we're not even over here, and we really started this whole thing. So what you?
And I'll be like, you know what? You all right. It was between this and another vendor that I saw, but what tipped me over to this particular vendor is the fact that they do have a gray option. So boop, bam, vendors, y'all better get y'all some gray options. I'm just saying. Each bundle has about 18 strands, okay? And there are 3 bundles. They recommend getting at least 2 packs. Ooh, come on now. See, the packet sauce, the fancy part of it is on the inside. This outside is a food line bag. Like a mug. They said, listen, we'll just put a nice little cardboard on the inside, put the hair in there, a latch hook, bam, give them some ignorant lashes, bam, and then toss it up in the food line bag and ship it. They will be pleased. The very first thing that I noticed about this hair is how it feels. This hair is so soft. It is not human hair, but it is very nice synthetic hair. It is very soft, y'all. It is so lovely. It's very bouncy, textured. If you guys like the kinky curly sort of crochet look, this will be perfect for you. It can be washed. They actually have washing instructions on the back of their tag. So this is what I wanted to tell you about the color. It's 1B30, but it's like a 1B30 mix. It may not be what you think, where the root is 1B and it glides down to the 30. You see what I'm saying? You would probably think that the roots are really, really dark or close to 1B. The roots are not, y'all. So it doesn't give 1B all on its own into the 30. Like a mix of those two colors in the root, and then it leads into the solid whatever color. So just say if you get 1B burgundy, it's going to be a mix between the burgundy and the 1B, starting from the root, and then at the ends it'll be that bam, that solid bright burgundy. You see what I'm saying? So it's the same thing with 1B30. It's going to look really natural. It's going to blend even if you have dark hair. I'm going to show you that. When I do crochet braids here lately, 3/4 of it is going to be on a wig, okay? And I'm just doing the illusion on the front part of my head. It's where I am in life. Let me show you. This is where we are. Now, I have not shaped this. I have not done anything. I've just installed the hair. So I don't know if I'm going to be adding extra pieces in or if this is big enough. This is about 1 pack of the hair. I had about half of a bundle left out of the 1 pack, okay? So this is very close to being 1 pack. You already know she's not stressed and depressed. She's not. Okay, this is not hair loss right here. I did that for a reason, because I don't want it to be super big. If I do go in and fill in, I'll probably put a piece right there and a piece right there. It looks like that because I'm using a tan canvas block. So you see all of this. My hair is dark, so you're not going to see any of that space. My hair is going to blend in with this cap, and a lot of that's going to be covered up anyways. So bam, we're not worried about that. So Sheila is all the way done, as you can see. And y'all, this hair is, like I said, it's very soft. Once I put it on, it will all make sense. It's going to go behind my perimeter, because my perimeter is going to be illusion crocheted, and then we just plop this on behind it, give it a little shape. That's it, that's all. And then when you're done, you take the wig off, put it back on Sheila for the night. You take your hair, you pull it up in a little loose bun, put you on a bonnet for the night. That's it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the style. Most of it is done. I did that yesterday. I was watching People's Court reruns, and I just was like, you know what? I'm gonna just do the wig today, and then tomorrow I just have the front to do. Y'all ready? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Come on, you know you want to, because ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get it. Let's get it, get it, get it. All right, family, we are going to start with the braid pattern. It is just a simple cornrow across the perimeter of my head. As you can see, the 2 cornrows on the side with pride are bigger. That's because that is the weaker part of my perimeter, okay? And then they're smaller in the middle. That's that. Pull out your edges. Don't be ignorant. We're not donating edges, okay? Because we are putting on a wig, you can do whatever you want to do to the bite, okay? I'm not here to tell you what to do. You could do whatever it is that you want to do. I'm choosing to put my hair in a ponytail, and then I'm going to just pin it up just to kind of get the ends tucked and out of the way. And that's it. That is my braid pattern, okay? If you have a weaker side, make sure you do what you have to do for your hair. My hair is already fine, you guys. I'm trying to keep my little teaspoon that I have, okay? That's why those braids on the side are bigger. They are larger. Now, to this hair, you are going to split the hair in at least 2 pieces, okay? You can do 3 if you want to. This is one method that you can do. You're going to do just like a regular install, but once you get to the pull through part, you're going to use the hook to pull only one end through the loop, okay? You can knot it if you would like to. I'm not, so I just flap that hair over top of it. This is another method. You can use your fingers to pull one end through the loop. At the end of the day, the key is to pull one end through the loop. You can either use your fingers to do so, or you can use the hook, whichever moves quicker for you, so that you could be on your get it girl get it. And that's basically when you breeze through an install. Why? Because you don't have all day. Even when you do, you don't. Okay? And that's me all the time. So you can just get a feel for both of these particular ways to do the same method. It's the same method, you guys. It's just two different ways to do it. Either you use the latch hook to pull one end through the hoop, or you use your index and your thumb finger to pull one end through the loop. The key, again, just pull one end through the loop. That's it. That's all. Okay? And you want to do this going all the way across the perimeter of your head. Now, as you can see, my latch hook is pointed in an upward direction. That is very important, guys. Okay? That is very important, so that the hair lies the way that you're trying to get it to do. You want it to do what you're trying to get it to do, okay? Now look at that. We have not teased the first, and it's already hitting, okay? Now, you want to go across this teasing part. This is my preferred method of teasing. Cut you off a little piece of hair, and then this is my favorite teasing brush. You already know. Look at that. That's what you want, going all the way across your perimeter. Some people tease in between their braids as well, depending on if you're going to be flipping it to the side with pride. That's up to you. This is the quick, ignorant way to do it, okay? Just taking sections and teasing. That's the ignorant on top of ignorant way. It'll get the job done. It's going to take a little while, but it'll get the job done, okay? If you don't feel like doing the little cut and the little slither, and then, you know, you can do it this way too. So I'm showing you all the ways. And then I'm just going to tease a little bit where I know I'll probably have a part, that middle part. That's it. But this right here, this method, that's what I'm choosing to do all the way across the front of my head. And as you can clearly see, it is already given what it's supposed to give. Just take your time and do that, okay? That's very important to the overall look. Now we just gonna whop this wig on, y'all. This is the easy, like everything else is easy breezy. Well, I guess the whole thing has been pretty easy, right? Yeah, this is not difficult at all. Practice makes progress, so y'all just keep at it. So here, this is with the wig on. I've kind of tucked the combs in, so that wig is not going anywhere. Check out these angles. For the style that I'm going for, that's where you want to cut towards the bottom of the wig. You want to make it into like a V kind of at the bottom, okay? And then, you know, you just get the little scragglies that are out of order. You see that? Lost and turned out. We gotta get those from over there, okay? You want it to have a particular shape, almost like a heart. That's what I was going for. Now, if you're going for something else, you know, you cut how you see fit. You know, you do your thing. But that's how I do it, and that's how I get the back. I just kind of look to the side with pride and just clip off anything I see out of order. And look at this, y'all. Look at this right here. If this is not natural on top of natural without being natural, I don't know what is. Honey, look at that. Look at it. And the hair is not even the color of my natural roots, Chad. Look how we, see? Do you understand how all things work together for the good of those that love the Lord? Do you understand the words that are coming out? Y'all, it's over with. This hair, it feels good. It looks good. It gives a very natural flow. I love the cut. The install was easy breezy. Y'all, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. But do you like this? I want y'all to blow the comments up because I really want to know. All right? Peace, love, light.